UPL South African Stewardship program called GALELA KAKUHLE was launched in March 2018 in partnership with Umtiza Farmers Co-op, a well-known agricultural supply brand based in the Eastern Cape. GALELA KAKUHLE is a Xhosa phrase meaning to apply well. The GALELA KAKUHLE program predominantly services the rural areas. Rural in Africa, by definition, mostly implies very little or zero infrastructure, such as roads and amenities like electricity. UPL therefore had to ensure that its customized training vehicle could function completely off-grid. Training modules on offer conform to the UPL Global Stewardship model and cover topics such as safe handling, calibration and application of agricultural chemicals, product label interpretation, and importance and correct use of personal protective equipment and environmental safety. All training is done free of charge and operational costs borne by UPL South Africa. The program, the first of its kind in South Africa, has made its mark and continues to uplift, empower and add value to the lives of all its stakeholders.
Umtiza is a company that has more than 25 years of trade in the Transkei and the Ciskei area in the Eastern Cape. We are currently a subsidiary of the UPL Farmers Co-op. So we are targeting the small farmers, small-scale farmers in our products. We share common goals, especially around the program that they propose of stewardship. We need to educate and empower our communities. We realize that the program of stewardship, which we call it GALELA KAKUHLE, which is a partnership between Umtiza, UPL and the communities we are servicing, that we ensure that what products we are selling, which are agrochemicals, they are used quite responsibly by our communities. So we need to ensure that we are safe and ensure that the community is safe. When you educate people around the responsible use of chemicals, you ensure that you are also alerting them about challenges of global warming, environmental damage, environmental erosion, so that our great-grandchildren still benefit from this environment. If we use our agrochemicals responsibly and safely, then we can guarantee that we will increase our yield within what we've got limited, as a limited land that we currently have.
When Africa's farmers are empowered, everyone benefits. The farmers themselves, the families they work for, the communities they sustain, the economies they feed, and the vital agri-food ecosystem of which they are part.
From the day one we launched it in March 2018, the government bought into the program. We are also empowering them in terms of the updated technology that is currently used. As of today, we've got about 4,207 beneficiaries that have benefited out of this program. So it is, for me, a program with a multi-effect on the ground. So by us as these partners in this program, I feel very proud being associated with, because we are educating our parents, we are also educating the youth, which is the future generation of this country.
As a global leader in the world's agricultural system, we at UPL recognize that it is our unique responsibility to drive forward an inclusive and sustainable agricultural transformation agenda, one that puts the empowerment of the African smallholder farmer at the heart of its mission.